Akachukwu Akonam Foundation has marked another successful outreach after gifting over 100 bags of rice and other items to the widows at Nokwa, Idemele South Council area. Akachukwu Akonam Foundation is a non-governmental organization which has consistently catered for widows and the less privileged in Nokwa and environ since 2010. Our correspondent Chimezie Ume filed this report.
Speaking during the outreach, the convener and founder, Engineer Simon Obaka, highlighted some of the missions of the foundation, which include empowering widows who had gone through some skills acquisition under the foundation with the equipment to establish themselves, organizing special prayer sessions on Word of God for the spiritual upliftment of the widows, among others. Engineer Obaka stressed that the essence of the foundation is not only to share gift items to the widows, but also to build them spiritually and psychologically, noting that being a widow is not the end of life, but a way to uphold their faith and be strong in God.
Foundation now I formed because of the vision. Akachukwu Akonam Foundation. It's for the youths and for the widows. If I name it Widows Day celebration. But no well in the Emoro Foundation. Now talk the widow aka. And when they may invite, Papa any widow if I actually I need an call Begu. I want the widow, but na able widow of one end of the life. And I qualify no kuchukuni na agwafa every 2 months. Na I resign no way na Chineke abona yoku. A Chineke will plan for you. We plan for Mwaka.
Earlier in his opening remarks, the Bishop on the Niger Anglican Communion, Right Reverend Owen Nwokolo, thanked the donors for their magnanimity towards the widows and their quest to always see them smile. Right Reverend Nwokolo urged the widows never to relent in their prayers and hard works and to always be positive in all they do because God still loves and cares for them. One of the guest speakers, Engineer Bukiwe, thanked the convener for all his good works to humanity. One of the beneficiaries who received a generator set and drying machine from the foundation, Mrs. Ngozi Akonam, expressed joy and promised to effectively and efficiently make use of the gadgets to maximize profit.
Abachagom Christmas inkem. Makana atobakwana anyo. Maka emepere saloon, onye bịa nsasa isi na anwụ na akọ isi, mana nke ifo na membebe go yibe. Nnukwu papa isi mmebezi oyibe nse na Chineke otu osisi mmebe oyibo ka ya emekwa oyibo karịkwa Chineke ya gbakwa ume karịkwa ifeọma ya na-akpọ ya ihu ndụ ya niile ka onye bataza na saloon o mee isi agba implant ti ya n'isi n'ọkụ onwebe aṅụrị ọ dịghịkwa izi o. So, Chineke too much, didn't make.
The event featured medical examination of minor health challenges and administration of drugs to the widows, diagnosis and treatment for high blood pressure, diabetes, blood sugar level, among others, sharing of food items and other valuables.